It's told in the problem that ABDC, they have told, not ABCD, ABDC is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. We know that characteristics. It's given in the problem that ABC vertex are given 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and then 3, 4 and then 2, 5. This is nothing but ABC 2, 5. Now the equation of the diagonal. So let me call this as x4, y4. Is it okay? x4, y4 is equal to what? First, now the question is asking you to calculate what is the equation of the diagonal AD. So let me call this as x1, y1. Let me call this point as x2, y2. Let me call this point as x3, y3. Is it okay? x3, y3. So if you carefully look at this, problem, how do you write this is what we have to see. How do you write this is what we have to see. So we can write. We know diagonals, okay, or we know diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, right? Bisect each other at O, like this, at O. That is midpoint of AD. That is midpoint AD should be equal to what is it? Midpoint BC. Midpoint of BC. So I can say midpoint of AD 1 plus x4 divided by 2, 2 plus y4 divided by 2 should be equal to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC will be 3 plus 2 divided by 2, 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So this implies to me that x4 should be equal to 4 and y4 should be equal to 9 minus 2, 7. So this point will be equal to what is it? This point will be equal to 4, 7. Now, how do you calculate equation of AD? Equation of AD is a 2-point form, correct or not? Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, that is equal to y4 minus y1 divided by x4 minus x1. So y minus 2 divided by x minus 1, that is equal to 7 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 1. So y minus 2 divided by x minus 1, 5 divided by 3. So 3y minus 6, that is equal to 5x minus 5. So 0 is equal to 5x minus 3y plus 1. This will be the equation of the diagonal.